Welcome to Karen's Lab. As you know, our goal is to promote innovation. In these few videos, I've been giving you some basic knowledge, and I've been asking you to think of new applications. Let me give you an example of what is that I would like for you to do. In our slime video, I introduced you to polymer science. Polymers, as I told you, known as plastics. Plastics are used everywhere. One example? Yes, Legos. All the figures are made out of plastic. Chairs, containers, many parts from airplanes, cars, trucks. What else is made out of plastic? Yes, glue. We did the slime with glue, right? And we said that glue was a polymer. What is glue used for? To hold parts together. What else can it be used for?
Oh, I got an idea.
Which one? Tell me your idea.
We can use polymers as hairspray too.
Yes, thank you. That's a perfect example of innovation. Glue is used to hold things together, so how about holding hair together? Polymers are everywhere in the beauty industry. Long time ago, they used clays and gums to hold hair together, but they had a lot of problems. The hair was very tacky, it wasn't flexible, it was flaky, it would dry, it could absorb humidity. Somebody using glue thought about holding hair with glue. You just have to dilute it more and formulate it to actually hold the hair together, but at the same time be able to wash it out. That was a great idea, and there's a lot of science behind it. There have been formulations after formulations after formulations to make it better. That's why you have a lot of different brands. There are several polymers that are used in the beauty industry. Specifically in the hairstyling industry, the first one to be used was PVP. This is the monomer for PVP. We said that polymers were what? Many monomers, many mers, right? So that means many of these will make polyvinyl pyrrolidone. For hairspray, there are probably 40,000 of these molecules joined together, making a long molecule. Each one of these molecules has 6 carbon atoms, 9 hydrogen atoms, 1 nitrogen atom, 1 oxygen atom. The polymer comes in a dry form. We have the PVP here in powder, and we have pellets of an acrylate. So in order for the polymer to come out of the canister, you need to have it in liquid form. In the past, they used alcohol. When they banned alcohol, they started using water. And then they started using different formulations with polyacrylates, combination of PVP with polyacrylates, and then a new one is PDMS. Let's prepare a little bit of hairspray, like the one that I use right now. We have the powder, the PVP. We're going to add some water. We're going to mix it well. We're going to let it rest for a little bit. We're also going to have these ones in pellets, and we're going to add some water as well. Mix it well. This is what we get. This one only has about 4% of polymer. The rest in the formulation is going to be oil, like coconut oil, some perfumes, and some other additives. You basically want a proper balance of hardness and solubility. Once we have it in this liquid form, when we apply it to our head, what's going to happen is the water is going to evaporate. You remember what evaporation was? The water goes from liquid to a gas. So what is that going to stay behind? The polymer. The polymer stays in your hair. It holds the strands together. It creates a very thin film, and then you have a beautiful hairdo. If you add more than 4%, what you're going to get is a gel. Look at this one. Thank you for watching. Hope you had fun, and that's what I want you to do. Every time you see something, there might be a totally different application where you can use that particular material. Hope you come out with something.